This is the worst drought to hit South Africa since 1982.
The National Weather Service has called this a once-in-a-thousand-year storm.
Washington State is having its worst fire season ever.
The city is now facing an unprecedented flood event.
This one, they're saying, is the worst one yet.
Climate change is a one-thing condition where we people felt it every single year due to massive changes of the Earth's atmosphere within the surface. As we see over the past years, global warming takes place in the planet, which it warms the vast ocean, and as a result, it has a high possibility that it will become a fuel of disastrous tropical storm. And if this thing will continue, it will be a massive threat, because hurricanes is a one kind of a monster.
Because the ozone layer is thinning, global warming has huge impact to Earth, and as a result, too much exposed to sunlight will lead to dying of plants and other living organisms.
As the smokes and other chemicals emitted by cars and factories continue to spread, it will greatly affect the climate and can enhance the risk of global warming. Also, pollution such as in air is very known in the Philippines, and as this continues, the tropical storm will penetrate its pollution and other human-related activities that can cause major damage to property and everything around it.
The effects of global warming is that it changes the temperature of our atmosphere. Specifically, it can create climate change. Temperature increase to such an extent that it can cause many disasters. An example to this is a storm. Increasing heat can trigger forming a storm that are very dangerous to people, to me, to you, to our future generations, to everyone. How should we stop this? In order to minimize this effect of global warming, we must not cut trees. Instead, plant more trees or reforestation are recommended.
Deforestation is one of the causes of global warming. Trees and also living plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. When the trees are cut down and burned, it will release carbon dioxide to the atmosphere and increase the greenhouse gases that cause global warming.
Global warming. Other than the overall heating of our planet, and more than that of disturbed weather patterns, and other than the melting of our polar ice caps, and other than the undesirable condition it brought about in changes. Global warming can cause a very frightening, a very terrifying monster named typhoon. Typhoon, also known as tropical revolving storm. is not nearly as strong as he is now than before. Because of our actions fostering global warming, we brought a bomb in our own backyards just to explode at any moment's notice. Typhoon is an unstoppable monster that destroys properties and takes lives along its path. So let us be aware and be awake to the call of change.